Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Rita, and I bring another banger. So guys, I'll be making my okra soup today. So I have my dry fish, I have salt, I have periwinkles, I have pepper. You can use any pepper around you. So I have onion diced, I have my cube, I have my red oil, my crayfish blended with okra, I have my almost sliced animal skin. Yeah, I have my ugu, I've been using it, I have my leaf. So I have the OG, the baba, the oga, the okra. So that's what I've been using to make it, guys, okra. So I have my beef, guys. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, I'm begging you guys, like, share, subscribe for more videos. So guys, in a clean pot like this, you have to add your beef, you have to add your dry fish. If you are using stockfish, add the stockfish. So you have to add some onion, some seasoning, then you have to add some salt, okay guys, and add some water. So you have to cook this for 15 minutes, then add the remaining things. Okay, so in this place I'm adding my pepper, my periwinkles, I'm adding my more diced, I'm adding my crayfish. The crayfish is blended with okra. Then I have to add my red oil, and I have to top it with some water. So I have to cook this until the milk is fully cooked. Yes, the meat have to be fully cooked. So guys, you have to stir it and take it off the stove. So when you take it off the stove, you have to put another pot, okay, add some water on that pot, guys, and allow the water to boil. Okay guys, so when the water is boiled, you have to add your okra. So when you add the okra, you have to add some salt, you have to add onions, okay, so you have to add one seasoning. Please let it be one, okay. So you have to add this and allow it to boil. Okay, so once it's boiled, as you can see it here, guys, so you have to like beat it. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get that draw, like when you're not using it, but I want your okra to like get that draw. Okay, so I want it to be slippery, to draw. So I need to get all those things to be slippery. I need to get it out of the okra. So I like beat it a little bit, okay guys, and you have to put your stock back the stove, add your okra. Guys, just be honest, it looks so delicious, guys. It looks so yummy. So you have to stir it, guys, stir very well. So at this point, you need to add your veggies. So I'm using ugu here. You can use F4, okay, you can use any veggie around you, okay. Yeah, you can use it, yeah guys. So I'm using ugu here. You can use uziza leaf. You have to like do the final touch, add your onion, add some cubes. So I'm adding one cube here. So you have to add some salt and taste, okay, and stir it very well. When you are done stirring it, so you have to taste for salt, okay guys, and you have to turn it and cover it to cook for 5 minutes. Ugu and okra are veggies, so you don't want to like overcook your veggie. So you have to stir it, close it for 5 minutes, allow it to cook for 5 minutes, and once it's 5 minutes, guys, your food is ready. Where are my people, guys? Where una dey? Where my OGs? Where my people? If you are watching me, haven't yet subscribed, guys, let's please grow this channel. Like, share, subscribe for more video, for more show, for everything. I told you this channel is not only for cooking, it's for lifestyle, living, children, singing, just name it, guys. And I'm giving you back to back. I love you guys. Bye.